Hi, this is an attempt at some door lock cylinder I just bought today. It's unopened, untested, so I'm not really sure if I'm going to be able to do it, but at least I'll try. It's a Garrison, whatever. So I'm going to open the package. That's a door hardware, screws, keys, and the test subject, which is hard to get out. Now that's it. I'll try with the key first. See, it's rotating freely. It's in the lock position right now. Lock position. Okay, now my attempt. Sorry for the light. It's kind of hard to. Might move the camera a bit this way. That didn't help really, but anyways, let's try that. Well, that's unsuccessful for now. See, I got a crappy tension wrench, so sometimes just giving it a bump. Oh. Now it's in place, so I don't have any fake movement of the tension wrench. So, attempt number 2. One click right there. Well, that makes it for a long video for an unsuccessful attempt, right? Got it. Great. Gotta love that. So, I'm gonna take some practice shots on that a little bit more. So if someone can help me how to, or tell me how to change these pins inside so I can actually change the configuration of the keys so I can try with different setups, that'd be nice. So that was it. Thank you.